Very good morning, students. So, in the first unit, reading A, we have seen the topic peace. So, all the animals wanted peace, and all the animals they were maintaining unity, right? So, that is the title, peace and harmony. So, in the reading A, animals wanted peace. So, here in the reading B, in this poem, Earth wants to be peace and happy. So, let us see the poem. So, this poem is all about earth feelings. Not only human beings, not only animals, even earth also has feelings. Yes or no? Everything has feelings. If a poet thinks, he can write all the objects and everything's feelings. Yes or no? So, here we have a poem about earth. Earth expresses its feelings in the form of a poem. So, what is the title? I want peace. Who want peace in this poem here? Earth want peace. Let's start. I am big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. So, here in the first stanza, the first line is I am big and round. Of course, right? That's true. Earth is big and round. I wonder if there will be peace. Okay. Earth wants peace. Earth is saying, I am so surprised. I wonder. Wonder means surprised. I am surprised if there is some peace for me. Is there any peace for earth? Are we giving rest to the earth? We are digging the earth and we are constructing the buildings. We are using it for constructions. We are taking the soil. Everything. We are using the earth in all types of ways. But is it correct? No. We are using it for our luxurious life. We are troubling the earth for our good life, for our happiness. Earth is saying, I am not happy. I wonder if there will be some peace. There is no peace for me. I want peace. I hear the sound of people who are being killed. People are killing each other. Yes or no? Maybe because of some caste differences, religious differences. Like that, people are killing each other. So, it's not fair. Earth doesn't like this. People are killing each other. I can hear the sound of their cryings. They are crying. They are asking my help. Please save me, save me. Please anyone save me. Like that they are crying. But no one is helping them. And I can hear the sound of those people's cryings. I see the people crying for life. I want to help the poor people. See, earth is thinking in a good way. It is thinking in the favor of the people. It's saying, I want to help the poor people. There are crores of poor people in our India. Yes or no? They don't have even food to eat. No good clothes to wear. No shelter to live. So, earth wants to help those kind of people. Poor people. It's unable to bear that feeling. Some people are crying for life also. So, earth wants to help those kind of poor people. I am big and round. I feel the weight of sorrow on me. I touch the feelings of the people. I worry about the future of the people on me. I cry for help from God. Again, this line is repeated in every stanza. I am big and round. So, this line is again repeated here in the second stanza. I am big and round. I can feel the weight of sorrow. Sorrow means what? Sadness of people. So, people are walking on me. I can feel the weight of the people. So, they are crying. They have so many problems. They are so sad. They are not happy. So, I can feel their pain. Next, I touch the feelings of people. Earth is saying, can you walk on the earth without touching? No, right? Definitely we have to keep our feet on the land, on the surface, on the earth. Definitely we should keep. So when we are keeping like that, when we are walking on the earth, earth is feeling the touch of our feet. I worry about the future of the people on me. See, earth is worrying about the future of people. Can you tell me why? We are cutting down the trees, right? We are spoiling the water, air, polluting air, water, everything. So, what about future? We are using everything. What about future generations? How they will live? They can't live, right? It's very difficult for them to live in future. So, we should leave something for our kids, for our next generation. Earth is also worrying about our next generation. I worry about the future of people on me. See here, you can look at the picture. On this picture, if you observe, all these people are so sad. People are so sad. Why? They have their own problems. I cry for help from God. Earth is crying a lot. It's asking help from God. God, please help me. And please save all the people who are living on me. Please, there are so many poor people. Please help them, God. Like that, earth is crying for help. It is asking help from God. I am big and round. I understand the problems of the people on me. I say grace for all people. I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. I am big and round. So here this line is again repeated. I am big and round. So I can understand the problems of people on me, the people who are living on me, maybe Americans, Indians, Africans, everyone, all the people will live on the earth, only on the earth, right? So earth can understand our problems also. It is saying like that. I understand the problems. People have so many problems. I can understand everyone's problems. I say grace for all people. Grace means favor. I want to be in the favor of all the people. See, even though people are harming the nature, they are harming the earth, they are digging and digging for bore wells, they are digging deep, they are hurting the earth. Yes or no? Even though we are hurting, we are harming the earth, earth is speaking in the favor of us. See, it's really, it has a good quality. Even the poet also who has written this poem, he imagined the feelings of earth. Earth is equal to our mother. Yes or no? We say motherland, my country, my India, motherland. So mother always thinks like a mother. So in the same way, earth is compared with mother. Even though people want to harm the earth, harm the mother, mother always speaks in the favor of the child. So in the same way, in this poem also, earth is speaking in the favor of us. I say grace for all people. I am in the favor of all the people. I cannot bear if anything happens to you. I can understand everyone's problem. I want to solve those problems. To solve our problems, earth is praying the God. I dream about my past. I try to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. I am big and round. See what's this earth saying again in the next line. I dream about my past. So do you know how was the earth in those days, in the olden days, in the past? Do you know? It was full of green trees and polluted free air, polluted free water. So everything was pollution free in those days. So we just know that in villages environment is peaceful and it's polluted free. But even though in cities also in those olden days, really weather was so good, environment was full of greenery. everything. It was so good. That's why it is dreaming about my past. It doesn't like the present, and it is afraid of the future. If it is like this in the present, all the people are contaminating everything, then what would be the situation in the future? It can't imagine even. We can't imagine even. So it is dreaming about its past. Earth is thinking, yes, my past was really nice. I was so happy when all the trees were smiling, all the trees were full in green color, good water, everything. So it is dreaming about its past. In the present, it's not happy. I try to handle my sorrow. Whenever we spit on the road, whenever we throw garbage on the road, the earth is not happy. It is feeling so sad, and however, it is able to handle its sorrow. It's saying that, okay, even if people try to harm me, however, I am trying to handle my sorrow. I hope I won't be destroyed. See, it is requesting, please don't destroy me. I hope. It's just hoping for the best. That's it. Earth just hopes for the best. That's it. It is requesting, don't destroy me, please. Just save me and use me in the future. That is what it's saying. It's not taking its minerals, all those whatever gold we have inside the earth, everything. Earth is not using it. Ultimately, the human beings are going to use that. Yes or no? So it is saying save some quantity for your kids also, for your next generation also. It is saying, I am big and round. See how sweet, how good character earth has. We should also have the same character equal to earth. Okay children, this is all about earth's poem. I want peace. Earth wants peace. So in this poem, feelings of the earth is included. I hope you have understood the poem and enjoyed the poem. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.